Hi, I'm Maurice Dixon, and we'd like to show you an idea that will triple your production. No matter what kind of carpet extraction equipment you use, whether it's EDIC's or somebody else's. EDIC's Powermate Power Brush will really help you get the job done. For hard to clean places, under tables, in the keyhole of a desk, under counters, where you want to use a power brush, EDIC's Powermate will get the job done for you. The Powermate uses a high-speed 2500 RPM brush for deep cleaning. The brush bearings are stainless steel and sealed. Powermate only weighs 15 pounds. Why use a standard wand when you can get a combination of powerful brush agitation and speed in a super lightweight attachment with wheels at a bargain price? No more backaches and fatigue from slow, tedious cleaning with a wand. And the Powermate attaches to any portable unit to deeply remove embedded soil at record speed. Be sure and ask for our catalog, which shows our complete line of innovative carpet, upholstery, and floor care products.